So now we are doing multiplications 2D into 1D. Time is 45 seconds. 2 digits into 1 digits. Save. Right. So I'm starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
498.
Yes.
445.
Right.
588.
Yes.
88.
Yes. You got very easy. 39.
66.
Yes.
90.
Okay. Okay. Time is done.
2 3 power.
Okay. Yeah. I'm opening the results and only one question is wrong. You can see this. Yeah. So correct answers are this many. Wrong answers are 1. So only one bit error. It is 90 and it is 100. So average time taken is 6.4 seconds, but you can subtract 3 seconds for typing the answer. So on an average, it's 3.5 seconds for each question, 2D into 1D. Right. Now the same way, we'll also be doing divisions.